Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yes, like guys. So guys, today it's just me and Island alone at home. You see me? On this Sunday. Yeah, Babe's gone out with our friend for the rest of the day. And you know what I mean, Father and Sunday. Yeah man, so guys, I don't really have anything planned today. I just know that, you know, I wanna give you guys a vlog. You know what I mean? So yeah. Yeah, little bobo here. Island. Come say hi. Yeah. You have the chicken them here, so over there. Come here. Come here. Where are you go? Where are going? Oh, I'll get it. Careful. Woo! What? See your face. Watch them skills there. Watch them skills there. Big bottle, you know? Yeah guys, so that's what I'm saying at home. And I don't know what I'll be doing, but it's probably too windy anyway. I might go to the park. I'm thinking I might do that. Yeah. So stick around guys and see what will happen. Alright, let's go now. I planted these banana trees last year and them coming well. This one is I call it honey banana. You know them like a small banana there. Yeah. Yeah man, so I can't wait. Yeah, wait for start to eat some banana off of this tree. Off of these actually. Yeah. Beautiful man. I may have the source up tree here where it's not moving guys. Like, honestly, since I planted it, it's like the only thing I can guess is that it's because of the winter. You know, it's like everything's stagnant. I realized that with even the banana trees, like they're not even growing. Like since the winter chipped in, it's like they just stopped growing. So I feel like when the winter pass, everything's gonna be going up and up. So just have to wait and see guys. Yeah man, so stick around. Alright guys, so me and Bobo there. He's in the back there. Yeah. Yes sir. So guys, we just go to the shop. Just grab a few things. I don't know. I think I might take him to the park. I don't know. Yeah, when we get back. He gets excited about the park guys, he loves going. Yeah. So I'm just gonna grab a few stuff, not much. Yeah, just something to do, you know what I mean? Yeah, shopping then go park. That's where he knows everything, he knows what's up. Yeah guys, so that. Yeah man, beautiful day. It's winter in Australia as you guys know. And what I actually love, even though I don't love winter at all. But
Yeah,
what you say?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy, go work.
No, mommy don't go work today.
What?
Mommy don't go work today. Yeah, but
Mommy, go work.
what I actually love about winter here is that it might be cold, but if you actually go outside, the sun is warm enough where you have a good balance. You know, I can imagine like in America or Canada and those places when it's winter, you can't even be dressing like, oh, I'm dressed right now. You know what I mean? So I appreciate it, even though it's cold, but I appreciate it. I guess because when you come from the tropical places, you definitely feel the cold more. So yeah, some people will be like, oh, that's not winter, you need to come here, you need to, you know. But it's winter for me, it's cold for me. It's what it is, you know what I mean? Yes, I'm just at the crossroad, you know. Yeah, enough time to go. Yeah, guys. Yeah, and I told I can see, you know, it's a Sunday, it's very quiet, not many people. Yeah. Find lots of people at the club, maybe at the pokey machines, are probably drinking. The Aussies, they love to drink. Yeah, so it's their lifestyle. Yes, Rasta, Bingy man there, you know. Shopping center right here, which is Coles.
What the hell? This is watching that. What is it watching?
Really? It's pretty busy here, lots of cars.
Yes.
On a Sunday, everybody shopping or something, doing something. Yes.
What?
Yes, Bobo. Everybody shopping.
Shopping.
Yes, they all shopping. And what are you doing, eh?
Looking cars.
Ah,
Yes. This is cars. This is cars.
Hey, Bobo. So in here, guys, grab this water and a few fruits. I grab some eggs. Just grab a few stuff. Grab a bottle of water, melon, mandarin, and what else me grab? I don't remember, to be honest, but yeah, just felt like just coming out, didn't really need much, so okay. Yeah, man. My neck a kill me though, I swear. Alright, the coast is clear. Yeah, man. So hope all is well with all of my viewers, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, hope life is treating you all good. Transitioning to a new country is not easy. You know, people always tell you about foreign, but they never tell you about the transition, which the transition into a new country is not easy, let me tell you that. Yeah. You know, when you have change of food, change of weather, change of whole new environment, people, language, you know, culture, everything, you know. Yeah, it has its ups and downs. Yeah, man. You know, make it work, you know. We bend our mind to the condition. You know, it might not be easy, but we bend our mind to the condition and just know, say, you know what, just face reality and just work with life. Yeah. But yeah, just go on. Take life step by step, one day at a time, you know. Yeah, man. As you guys can see, I'm driving. I'm also want to buy a car, a second-hand car. I think I said this before, you know, but I haven't been really finding any in my budget range, especially here in this region that I'm at, you know. But when you look online, like further out, especially Brisbane and those places, Gold Coast, those places, you know, which Brisbane, different state, you know, so yeah, we've seen cars out there for, you know, in my budget range that are in good condition, you know, according to what they say. So might go with that. Maybe have to make a trip up there one day. Make a trip up there one day and yeah, go check out some cars, you know. That would be interesting. Yeah, because what we're seeing out in my region here, it's just, yeah, they're not going for those low prices comparing to the city. Yeah, I just want something to move me around comfortable. I don't want nothing, no drop top, nothing, no kind of fancy something, you know. I don't like to be seen, I like low key, so I just want a small car if you just take me around, you know. Yeah, nothing fancy, nothing too colorful, nothing too exaggerating, you know.
Wow.
Island at the park.
Island Park. It should be round. It should be round. Da 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 da. Woo-hoo. And get off, Dada.
Island trying to climb this thing. You sure you can manage? Let's see, huh? Watch it.
8, 9,
10.
10.
Look at this. Oh, got you.
No.
Why big you know can climb? Look at this. What is going on here? Wait, Island. Let me see.
Hey, look at me.
Woo.
Whee! Orange, blue, green, orange, blue, green, orange, blue, green, blue, green, blue. Oh no.
Blue.
Help me.
You want me to bring you across? Wait. Give me this one. The other one. Wait. This one.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, that's a big one.
G.
Good job.
S.
Yeah.
Y.
You fall off.
Again.
Yeah.
Time.
That's a big one.
Okay.
There we go.
2.
Yeah. Ooh,
Wow.
can you make it? You did it. Okay, I see you. See, you got skills. This one is 2, not for you, Bobo. Try the other one.
What?
Try the other one, that one down there.
No, power.
Is that a smaller one?
Yes. 2, 3, 4.
Oh, good job.
No, climb.
Climb.
Yeah. What's that?
What is this now?
Help me, Dad.
You can do it.
Help
You
me.
almost got it.
I got this.
Yes.
How can climb?
Alright, put your foot in.
How that
Put the foot there in. Yeah?
silly?
You're gonna have to hold on both. Put one hand on here. Yeah. Then you brace yourself. Ready? Get ready. Push, push, push. There you go. Good job. You did it. You did it.
Oh, I'll climb.
Try again. Try again. Foot. Other one.
What?
The other one. Yeah. Get on. Push, push, push. Yeah.
Baby.
You did good. You did good.
Oh,
Try another one.
I think
Try this one down here.
can't see.
Huh?
Climb.
You insist, eh?
I
What are you
win.
doing?
I win.
Yo,
Dada.
you did it.
Yes, Dada. Big.
That one is big for you, Island.
He'll climb.
I know you wanna climb. How far you think you're gonna go? Brace, yeah. Better hold on strong.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Watch this, you know.
Wee.
What is? What is this?
Racing. Wow! People, I'm like, oh my. It's no one.
That one is for bigger kids, Island.
You climb.
You wanna climb, but it's for bigger kids.
This. How many this?
Okay, I'll put the camera down and help you.
Hello. There? Hello. 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 Hello.
Take it easy, take it easy.
Oh, hello. 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 Hello.
Woo!
Woohoo! Fasa Dada.
Yeah. You're strong. Look at you go.
Fasa Dada.
Yeah.
Fasa.
Faster.
Fasa blue Dada.
Yeah.
Fasa blue.
Faster blue.
Come on. Woo! Fasa blue Dada. Fasa blue.
Look, it's going.
Fasa
Look,
blue.
look, 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 look. Woo!
Fasa blue Dad.
Huh?
Fasa blue.
Yes, it's fast blue.
Fasa blue Dada.
Alright, faster you want. That's what you said. That's what you said. You said it, not me.
I need you.
Woo! This is quite, quite dizzy. Especially when I close my eyes. Ooh. Ooh, look at you.
Oh my God.
Oh. You're dizzy, eh? You're dizzy. Oh my God. Wait. You sure you want to get out so quick? Has it stopped? Where you going? Hmm? Oh my My God, I'm dizzy.
Dada,
Yeah,
what's up? Dada, come.
I'm coming.
Come, Papa did.
So you wanna go purple though? We're now in purple. Purple. And island gold.
Fasa, Dada.
Yes, we're going.
Fasa.
What? You love the adrenaline, don't you?
No. Park. Really? See. Oh, open. Woohoo. Wow, Fasa.
You said you wanted faster.
I do busy.
Yeah. So guys, the worst thing just happened. Zylan was running on the basketball court at the park and fell and hit his face. And yeah, it's not looking good at the moment. He hit his lip and a bit under his nose there. So give you guys a quick peek of how it looks. Not looking good. Yeah, so I have ice in a rag right here, which I think that's the right thing to do. Yeah, not looking good. And he's still, after he fell, he's just crying to go back to the park. Like, I'm telling him, you have to go home now. Yeah. Oh my God. A day at home with Dad and this happened. Sorry, Bobo. That's what happens when you're having fun, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, shush. He cry like crazy. And he was even crying like, maybe he's feeling the pain, but he was more crying about the park than anything else. He was just crying, oh, take me back, park. Oh my God. Too excited, eh?
Yeah.
Watch my boy. Yeah, so that's what happened, yo. He's sleeping now, guys. I'm tired. If you look at his lip, you can see it's swollen. Yeah. I'm tired, I know. Oh, not nice. Things happen, kids. So now, guys, Highland is sleeping, and now it's time to cook some food, isn't it? So what's on the menu for this evening is some lamb curry, isn't it, and some white rice. Yeah, so yeah, babe's probably on her way, you know. Yeah, so sometime after 4, you know. Let me check the time. Yeah, 17 past 4, you know, in the evening, isn't it? So this is what I go cook up, you know, some lamb curry.